So we have this program called Slat Vision. It is our inspection system that we built in-house. It is proprietary and it scores barns up to Altenburg standard. There are over 90 different data points that we are measuring when it goes into this, but overall it's just measuring where your barn is landing at in the life cycle of its flooring. So it is completely objective data. The questions that are going into this are asking such specific structural key questions in it that doesn't matter who's looking at your barn, if it's Andy, Tyler, or another inspector here at Altenburg Construction, you are going to get consistent results every single time because it is the Altenburg standard. The age of the facility goes into it, the owner, how they take care of them, the types of pigs the size of pigs that are going into it. Each barn has a story and its own lifespan. Typically we say 25 to 30 years your barn would be due for a slat replacement, but with this model we can project out also when you might be falling into a replacement threshold. So I would recommend around year 20 could kind of be a start up to whenever you started noticing signs of degradation in your facility. So Hog Slat has years of experience that go into their flooring and it consistently shows up in the data. Using this approach and using Slat Vision helps companies and individual owners stay ahead in this industry by ensuring that their sites and their facilities are in top-notch performing condition as well as safety standards. Hog Slat would be a definite recommendation of ours. I would definitely recommend Hog Slat if your barn was within that replacement threshold. So if you are noticing that your barn is getting up there in age and needs an inspection, I would highly recommend calling Altenburg Construction here and having us come out and inspect your facility. And we can get a game plan based off of where your barn is falling at in its life cycle. And if you're not in the replacement threshold, it'll give you a projection of when your barn will be needing those slats so you can get ahead on capital planning. So if you are ready to start a new chapter and need to do your slats and beams in your barn, we would recommend going with Hog Slat to replace.